Slime review. Faye's
Hi
Mad
friends,
Slime 1
today we are going to review the
Sunflower
first
City.
of the 4 slimes I got in my package from Faye's Mad Slime. And this one is called Sunflower City. It is a thick and glossy base, and it's got a yellow jelly slushy topper. And it came with 2 really cute sunflower charms that will be going on my wall with the rest of my charms. And it came with some really tiny micro beads. I don't like to put the what are they called? The Fimo pieces, that's what they're called. But these I'll put in because they're really tiny and they might give it some texture. So yeah, let's get started. This is Sunflower City, and it's a white, thick and glossy base. And let's check out the base before we mix anything. Oh, that feels nice. This is a really nice, thick and glossy. Feels really good. I've mentioned before, but I live in Arizona, so I'm always worried when I get my slimes they're going to be melty, and sometimes they are. This one I popped in the fridge for about an hour before this so that I could not have it be super melty, but I got it a couple days ago, so it's had plenty of time to cool down. This is really nice. Do you like my octopus jar? I figured I needed some like aesthetic things in my video instead of just a flat wall. So I put my little jar with the suspended seashells and my octopus jar that my sister got me last year. I keep my incense sticks in it. This is really nice. Alright, let's go ahead and mix it. Let's check out this clear jelly slime first, slushy slime first, before we mix it in. This one might be a little sticky because it's a clear, but we're going to mix it in anyway, so that's okay. Feels nice, the texture is nice. It's a little sticky, but that's okay because we're going to mix it in. I'm not exactly sure what the picture's supposed to look like, but yeah. And then we'll put the, okay, I poured the little tiny micro beads on there. Let's see. That was a nice one. Oh, I really like the texture of the slushy beads in the thick and glossy. That feels really nice. Pokes. Kind of looks like lemon yogurt now with the yellow jelly mixed in. It's really nice. It feels really good. And it has nice bubble pops, which is my favorite. Yeah. Oh, sorry, knocked the camera. This is great. I am going to give this one a 90.5 out of 100. And yeah, go check it out. And I'll have my next review of the second slime in the package real soon. See you later, friends.